In a time before memory, two tribes thrived beneath the endless expanse of the sky. The Sun tribe, bathed in the golden glow of their namesake, revered the day. They were skilled hunters, their arrows swift and true, their laughter echoing through sun-dappled forests. Across the great river lived the Moon tribe. They celebrated the night, their faces painted with the silver light of the moon. Weavers of intricate tapestries, their songs whispered secrets to the stars. Though different, they were bound by the rhythm of the earth, their lives intertwined like the threads of a carefully woven tapestry. For they knew, even then, that day cannot exist without night, just as light cannot exist without darkness. The Sun tribe rose with the dawn, their days filled with the hunt. They moved with the grace of wolves, their footsteps silent on the forest floor. Their arrows, tipped with obsidian, always found their mark. As the sun began its descent, casting long shadows across the land, the Moon tribe awoke. They gathered around crackling fires, their voices harmonizing in ancient songs that spoke of creation and dreams. Their lives were a delicate dance, a constant ebb and flow between day and night, between the warmth of the sun and the cool embrace of the moon. Dividing the two tribes flowed a river, its waters as clear as the sky above. It was a boundary, respected by both, a shimmering ribbon reflecting the celestial dance above. The river whispered tales of the two tribes, carrying their laughter and songs downstream. It held their secrets and dreams, their hopes and fears. It was a constant reminder of their separate yet interconnected existence. But the river also held a silent longing, a yearning for a time when the divide might be bridged, when the Sun and Moon tribes might stand together, united under a single sky. Section 4. A Love Across the Divide. One day, a young man from the Sun tribe, his eyes as bright as the midday sun, saw a maiden bathing in the river. Her beauty, as radiant as the moon, captivated him. She was from the Moon tribe, her hair adorned with river pearls, her voice as sweet as the nightingale's song. Their love bloomed under the watchful gaze of the stars, a secret shared between stolen glances across the river. It was a love forbidden, a violation of the ancient laws that separated their people. Their hearts ached with the pain of separation, the river a cruel barrier to their happiness. They knew their love was a dangerous secret, one that could shatter the delicate balance between their tribes. Section 5. Forever in the Sky. The lovers, desperate to be together, made a daring pact. They would appeal to the Great Spirit, the creator of all things. They climbed the highest mountain, their voices joined in a plea for unity and love. The Great Spirit, moved by their love and sacrifice, transformed them. The young man became the sun, his love a radiant light that warmed the earth. The maiden became the moon, her gentle glow illuminating the night. Thus, the Sun and Moon tribes were forever bound, their love a celestial dance across the heavens. The river, once a symbol of separation, now reflected their eternal embrace, a reminder that love knows no boundaries, no divisions, and shines its light on all.